friends at Shanna. I don't know if you can hear them, but the bell's ringing here. There we have it, the end of the day. Closing day here at the September show at Brimfield. Trucks and vendors packing up, but a really lovely week, and today was just phenomenal. The weather was perfect, everybody was packed, and now they're exhausted packing up. But I am blessed to be able to catch Luz before she started packing up. So she's here on the east end, actually right by the church on the east end of Route 20, and she's got really wonderland down here that she creates with her backdrop at the barn, a small kind of barn stand that's right here along Route 20. So I won't carry on any further. I will turn the camera around. So just to show you along Route 20 what it looks like now after the crowds have passed, and there's just a sweet breeze in the air, and everybody's, you know, again, the bittersweet end where we all say bye for now and, you know, don't see each other again until next May. But I'll introduce you to Luz. We'll do that now. 1 second and I'll show you Route 20, what it looks like. We'll go back and return. Alrighty, so that's church bells. Oh gosh, how lovely. And here are folks still leaving, but lots of tents packing up here. Wrapping up the show, tearing down all the staging, and this is Luz's world here, and she's still here, has an amazing big space, and lots of people visit her. So I'm so excited to get to introduce you. Hi Luz, welcome to all our friends on Facebook. Yeah, so tell us about your story.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
what can I say? I come 30 years from my hometown, Ecuador,
Yeah,
South America, and then I had to learn English.
yeah,
And then after I learned English, I started working for a big company, an airlines. I was working at the same time I was developing my business
okay,
because I love all kind of antiques and
yeah,
vintage stuff and all of that. So I started this.
yeah,
At the same time, when I was working, I worked for 15 years there.
wow,
Then I retired with them.
yeah,
They offered me an early overtime, and I took it, and then I started full-time here.
wow,
So I've been doing many shows, like especially in Brimfield, my favorite, all the consular magazine, consular magazine shows,
yeah.
and Roundup.
And you're at Round Top too.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So,
And such a big, wonderful space. It is like a whole shop that's, like a real shop that's open here with lots of square footage. Maybe we'll just pan back a little bit. And then why don't you show us around a little bit and tell us a bit about what you love to carry. And
we do a lot of good rolls.
yeah,
Like as you can see, with this kind of primitive style.
Yeah.
They are new, but reproduction of the old ones.
yeah,
And people love that with the new farm style.
yeah.
We do also the sugar molds. As you know, the sugar molds.
What are they? Sugar bowls?
Sugar molds. Actually,
Okay.
what they use is the original sugar mold. This is the actual
Oh, look.
sugar.
Yeah.
Brown sugar.
Yeah.
And the sugar mills, they use these molds. They put this when the sugar is not refined, is brown.
Mm-hmm.
They pour in this, and then they put this on the market to sell as half pound of sugar.
Right.
And now they, of course, the sugar mills, they use the 12, even 12, 20
Okay.
But, and then they find out and it looks beautiful for decoration.
Yeah.
So they make it 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So those are the
Wow.
famous sugar molds.
I would have never thought that's what they were. Yeah, there's, right.
This is the actual sugar.
Right.
What the use for it. The
So
actual use.
interesting. Wow. Okay, what else can we see? Look at her staging. She's got like a real stage here.
Texas style.
Yep.
My
Yeah. All staged out.
the balls.
Yep.
And also I have a whole crew working for me too. My sisters, they do all the dream catchers,
Yeah. Oh, the dream catchers. Yeah.
the hats. My sister does. I do all the textiles, the printing on the t-shirts.
Yeah. Let's look at, oh, look at the hats.
We use vintage
Trims.
and
Beads and
beads and
brooches and
that.
yeah. Look at this world. It's
All
like
day.
magic in here. And you said this was like a farm stand?
Yeah, farm stand was this, and they were using to sell.
Fruits and vegetables. Yeah. She has such a way of vignetting, and she's
Sorry, that is the end of the day. I'm leaving.
she's been really busy. I'll let her tend the customer, and I'll just kind of walk you around here. She has been swamped too, so if you can imagine, this is hugely picked over. She's just full to the brim, and you can see why everybody just loves visiting Lou's here. Oh, look at this. Sweet. So I'll just walk you around here a little bit. Such a beautiful evening and just a wonderful atmosphere she's created here. I love it. So we'll go back to say, well, she's tending customers still, so I guess I'll have to sign off without being able to say goodbye for now, but she'll be at the Country Living Show coming up in Ohio. She'll be at Round Top, a huge show that is massively attended in Texas, and she will be back in May, and she's always on the east end of the field of the road of Route 20 out here, and you can see her space. It's very recognizable from the road, and she's part of Sturd Events, but on the south side. So grateful to have opportunity to introduce you to her, so come and find her next May. Lots to look forward to in the interim months here from September to May while we wait to see Brimfield come back to life in the spring. So we're signing off on Brimfield 2019, the September shows. A glorious week it has been. Bye for now.